Okay, so I'm really curious how it tastes. We'll use shaker, steak. And let's start with Becherovka first, and we'll use 3/4. Oh my god, I absolutely love the smell. Same, we'll use 3/4 of an ounce of Jägermeister. Next, we'll need juice from 1 lemon. And I promised you guys that we almost finished with this lemon oranges from California. So I'm using the good quality lemon now, the real one. And let's squeeze it. Okay, next we'll need 1/2 ounce of passion fruit syrup or puree. I'm gonna be using the real passion fruit. And last but not least, 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Okay, now let's put a couple large cubes of ice and shake it. And now strain it into the rocks glass. I'm going to use a large cube of ice, but of course at home most likely you guys don't have it, so use whatever ice you have. And also we'll double strain it. As for garnish, he recommended to use cone. That's actually the only one I could find, so I can take the top off. I'm just gonna cut 1 piece. So yeah, you see I took a pretty large piece. I'm gonna burn it and place it on top. So I'm not sure if he actually meant just to use smoke from it or to put it on top, so I didn't specify, but this just looked a little weird when it's like laying on top. Ah, this is pretty good.